name is Stacey LaCour. I'm from Alexandria, Louisiana, but I currently live in Ball, Louisiana. I graduated from Northwestern State University with my BSN in August of 2012. Shortly after that, I began working at Red Peace Regional Medical Center on one of their med-surg floors. My unit is 4A and is considered the stroke unit. We mainly specialize in stroke patients, but we do get a variety of patients with different illnesses. I have two young sons, a 12-year-old and a 2-year-old. My 12-year-old just celebrated his birthday on yesterday, so we were excited about that. My fiance and I have been together for 15, almost 16 years now. Hopefully we will be getting married soon, but I'm trying to finish school first. I decided to become a nurse practitioner, mainly a family nurse practitioner, because my sister graduated a few years back with her nurse practitioner's license, and I realized that I would possibly be able to do more for my patients by going back to school and getting a little bit more education and seeing a little bit more what goes on with the disease process. So after seeing her graduate and working closely with nurse practitioners at Rapides Regional for the last couple of years, I realized that that becoming a nurse practitioner would be better suited for me than remaining an RN for the rest of my career. So I would like to wish all of you a good semester, and I hope that we will be seeing each other soon. Thank you.